Hey guys! Welcome to Couple. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. Qualcomm's Snapdragon 1000, which is specially designed for always connected Windows PSC, will give a tough fight to Intel's Celeron, Atom, and Y-series processors. Now, WinFuture has reported newer details about the power of these processors. The SoC will support up to 16GB RAM and 128GB UFS flash storage and come with Gigabit LTE and Gigabit Wi-Fi. It will be available in a fanless format which will allow manufacturers to make slimmer laptops. The chipset is expected to launch by the end of this year, and Qualcomm and Asus are already working on an always connected Windows laptop based on the platform.